Hey guys, welcome back. It's time to take a look at the Huawei P30, and the P30 come with triple camera setup on the rear and a voice cancellation on the top. Only voice cancellation on the top, and on the bottom of the smartphone it's come with Type C, headphone jack. Yes, headphone jack is back, and the speaker grill. And on the right of the smartphone it's come with volume up and down, and there is a power button also. And look at the display, it's come with Infinity U display. We already see this type of Infinity U display already in Samsung A50, M30 and so on. And Huawei P30 and P30 Pro also come with a in-display fingerprint reader, and this might be a optical sensor. We already seen lot of Android smartphone, and another video showing how fingerprint reader work on Huawei P30 and P30 Pro, and it's make me surprised. If we compare with Huawei P30 Pro with Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and it's almost same to unlock Huawei P30 Pro and Samsung S10 Plus. It's almost a week away to launch the official Huawei P30 and P30 Pro, but the Huawei P30 Pro already listed on Amazon. The leak also reveals some key specifications such as 10x zoom, and there is a 128GB internal storage with dual SIM and Type C. According to Amazon, Italy listed the P30 to be released on April 5th with price tag 1024 euros. The listing also confirmed that such as 10x hyper zoom, Kirin 980, and it shows that the price will be similar to S10, S10 Plus. Let me know your thought on P30 and P30 Pro. Comment below. Official launch of P30 and P30 Pro on March 26. So consider subscribing so that I will inform you latest leaks and news about these devices. I will see you on next video. Till then, goodbye.